As a Defender owner, you know what this is. This is a bonnet hinge with bushings that are prone to crack. Are you looking for an easy high-value upgrade as a replacement solution that eliminates hinge failure? If so, Blackbridge has you covered. Not all replacement hinges are created equal. The Blackbridge hinge replacement system is fabricated from aerospace-grade billet aluminum and uses an acetyl Delrin bushing. Why is that important? Because acetyl Delrin is a self-lubricating engineered plastic which behaves just like metal. It's strong and heat resistant with low friction, which means a seamless closing and opening experience with your bonnet for many years to come. Plus, the Blackbridge bonnet hinge comes complete with a stainless pin and fastening hardware and engineered with anti-theft design. Lastly, this hinge comes complete with 2 Delrin height-adjustable gaskets to help raise and lower the height of your bonnet to a more precise specification, providing zero bonnet to wing interference, or as we say here in the States, zero hood defender interference, a known issue in our community. This piece is a total upgrade that you will notice every single time you open the hood. Upgrade your Defender today at blackbridgemotors.com.